Thank you so much.
You guys look so good sitting like that. Thank you. One second, sorry. Right now itself?
Second camera, the left side. Ma'am here. Left side. Left side. Here left side, right side. Center here. Ma'am right सामने देखो. Your right.
Thank you.
Your left side. सामने देखो. Right side. सामने.
Thank you.
हम यहाँ पे सामने. Left side ला. Ma'am center देखिए. Ma'am your right side. Ma'am left side देखिए. Ma'am your stay.
Good evening. मैं हर साल यहाँ पे हेलो अवार्ड पे आती हूँ, हॉल ऑफ फेम पे, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ पे अच्छे लोगों को आप सम्मानित करते हो एंड उनका गौरव करते हो। सो मैं बहुत हैप्पी होती हूँ हर साल यहाँ पे जो जो अच्छा काम करते हैं उनके लिए मैं वेटिंग में रहती हूँ कि कौन क्या काम कर रहा है। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
समाज के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों से लोगों को सम्मानित किया जाता है और इस बार भी लोग शामिल होंगे। आपकी आपके विचार में राजनीति और समाज के किन व्यक्तित्व को आप एक प्रेरणादायक रूप में मानते हैं?
कोई छोटा है या बड़ा है, बट जो कोई अच्छा काम करता है उसका जो यहाँ पे गौरव किया जाता है वो सबसे अच्छा लगता है। और कोई भी अच्छा काम करे तो ऑफ कोर्स उसको सम्मानित करना चाहिए। एंड हेलो जो काम कर रही है वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक्स।
Ma'am here. Ma'am your stay. Right side first. Ma'am इधर देखिए. Ma'am your stay. Your right side इधर सामने देखिए. Sir here. Sir here. Other right side here. Sir सामने सामने. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. I feel fantastic here. I've been actually a follower of Hello for a while now, and it's an honor to be here among all of you. So I'm really looking forward to the wonderful function and very excited, raring to go. Yeah? My first project, it's called Pagal, and really excited about it. It's my debut. I've been a theatre actor, so this is my first film really, and I've had a ball shooting it. And my director Chirag has been one of my closest friends. So to be associated on a project with him and with Mr. Jayantilal Gada, Pen Studios, it's an honor. This is my first experience with the camera. I've been an assistant director, assistant writer before this, so I'm really looking forward, and hopefully we should release the film soon, and hopefully you'll love it. Anji.
First time for the awards?
No, I've been to these awards or other one. Yes, this is my first time. I was a very busy assistant director before this, so I was usually traveling for shoot and busy with, helping people make films. So this is my first Hello Awards, and I'm very excited to be here.
As you start your career after
Sure.
Pradesh,
Ji.
does fame matters for you, or you look for something else?
I look for satisfaction here. I look for that feeling that I can go home and sleep well and wake up fresh the next day, raring to go again. So fame is a byproduct here. It's just about feeling satisfied with the day and getting good sleep at night. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure to be here. Bye.
No, little trail and
Ma'am, your right side. Sophie, left side. Sophie, your left side. Right side. Sophie, left side here. Sophie, ma'am, your right side. Sophie, left side here. Ma'am, your right side. सामने सामने. One more here, ma'am. Sophie जी center में देखिए. Ma'am, इधर इधर. Sophie, ma'am यहाँ. Ma'am, मम्मी है.
कभी हुआ है जो आज होगा. Thank you. So today I'm wearing Lekane Himmat, feeling pretty glamorous as one should as the host of Hello Hall of Fame Awards. Really excited to be hosting it for the third time now. I couldn't be here last year and I'm so happy the team remembered me for this year. I think we share an amazing rapport. I think Hello is one of the most fun awards, very stylish, and what I love most about it is the range of people that we celebrate tonight, from art, culture, films, you name it, everybody's here. How does it empower me to host these kind of shows? I think, when you're on screen playing roles, you're playing somebody else. But for me, I'm always most comfortable on stage, be it as a singer or as a host. I have a very good rapport with so many people, and I think that translates on stage. People are comfortable with me. I'm very comfortable being on stage, and I think it just feels great to be able to speak about people, celebrate people, and be a part of the moment where they feel celebrated. Yeah. Well, I mean, of course, I speak fluent Hindi and English, which is great. But the other languages that I'm fluent in, French and Italian, is pretty good. वो अभी तक इतनी काम में नहीं आई है यहाँ पे. I hope one day it does. Yeah, I think I enjoy speaking languages. I enjoy learning about different cultures, and I think overall, education is one of the most important things that makes you a very well-rounded person. It stands you in good stead, and it allows me to be able to interact with anybody, and I think that's the best thing about having an education. Hi. Yeah.
And probably it's also kind of being empowered as they grow. Would you like to say something for the youth and people?
Yeah. I want to say something very important to the youth, the women. Hindi? हाँ ठीक है. मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी to the youth of India, to the women, to the men, सबको कहना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग बहुत ही खुश नसीब हैं कि आपको ये मौका मिल रहा है हमारे देश के भविष्य को डिसाइड करने के लिए. ये मौका मेरे पास नहीं है because I'm British. I cannot vote in this country. But मेरी opinions बहुत strong है. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that it's really important कि आप election में हिस्सा लें. Please take a decision wisely. आपकी जो भी beliefs हैं वो आपकी personal beliefs हैं, but please do not waste the opportunity. वोट कीजिएगा क्योंकि आपके वोट से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है आने वाले सालों में क्या होने वाला है. That's all up to you. हम बस यही चाहेंगे कि हमेशा हमारा देश एक रहे. There's unity, there's strength, there's power, there's education, there's less unemployment. These are very important issues and you can make a difference. Thank you. Okay, I'm running. Bye.
Glitz, glam, and some really cool awards. Yeah. Tonight I'm not getting any award, but yeah, I'm here to celebrate everybody's awards. Yes, I am doing a film called Bypass Road with Neil Nitin Mukesh. It's his first home production, and his brother Naman is directing it. It's a really, really cool project and something very, very different than what I've done before. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm not allowed to say that. It's a surprise. Yes, very excited. Neil is a fabulous actor and he's very intelligent. He knows about everything, when he's working. So it's very inspiring to work with him, actually. I look up to going on a shoot and learning so many things from him because he knows so much about every field. Yeah, it's fantastic. You think? I think Neil's going to kill me if I do that, like right away. Gone. We will speak about it when the time comes, of course. All I can say is I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm okay to say that, but I'm the most important thing in the film, so yeah. Huh? My outfit. I'm wearing myself today. I thought it's. I think their theme is white, so this is the closest to white I could get. Thank you. Bye.
It goes back around, yeah. I'm expecting a lot of brilliant talent coming together, and it's the first time I'm attending an event after my film. So it's pretty good. Like, I've started filming for Panipat, so this is quite a nice break where I'll get to see everybody and have fun. So that's the idea. I think it's very challenging, यार. मुझे 2 घंटे तो तैयार होने में लगते हैं, so it's quite challenging. But I hope it gives the return that we want. And Ashutosh Gowarikar, I think he's a legend, and he's such a brilliant filmmaker when it comes to period drama, especially. So I'm very excited, and I'm playing Bajirao Mastani's son. So there's a backdrop, and yeah, I hope I live up to the expectations. Actually, I started shooting for Panipat in November. So अभी तो बहुत देर हो गई है, but अभी May तक we are shooting, and I did horse riding, and lots of homework has gone into it. But we'll talk about it, the homework, closer to the release. That's better, no? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anybody asking? Yes. Every time there's an award function, I think what I really look forward to is the kind of recognition that people get, because through the year you work very hard for that. So I'm looking forward to the awards, the winners, and of course meeting a lot of people, because this is one place where you get to meet everybody together and touch base. Yeah. Good evening, how are you? I played with him. I played golf with him, yes. जी जुड़ नहीं रहे हम लोग एक charity के लिए golf tournament organize हुआ था, and I've been a golfer in my high school. I used to play nationals and Kapil sir plays, so then we were both approached and हम लोग साथ में खेले थे. We played 18 holes and we had some great conversations of how he got from cricket to golf, what does he have to give to the world, from being a sports person, his ideas. It was great, I think, and he's such a down to earth person. We also spoke about 83 as to how you know, the preparations are going. So I was like, आप बता दो आपने क्या क्या दिया है. So it was fun.
आपका चेहरा स्पार्कल हो गया एकदम से, मतलब जब अभी सुनने को तो मैं तो
अरे सुना ही नहीं दे रहा मुझे. हाँ सामने देखूं. ओके अच्छा ठीक है जी, आप सुनाइए. नहीं आप बोलते मेरा चेहरा.
स्पार्कल हो जाता है जब when you said about Kapil ji. It was a really good meeting.
It was a game that we played. Meeting in it was amazing, and you know, I think it's a great inspiration when a person of his stature is so down to earth and so grounded, and you know, just like a normal person, having conversations, giving life advice, giving game advice. वो काफ़ी time पे मेरा, because वो तो every week खेलते हैं, and I don't get the time to play that often. So I play once in like 6 months. Last one मैं 6 महीने बाद खेल रही थी. So he was correcting 1 or 2 things, and I was like, thank you, and we had a great game. I think it was great, and I told him I'd love to play with him again. So he said, I'm going to call you to DGC, so I'm hoping that happens soon.
जो ऑन स्क्रीन कपिल का प्ले कर रहे हैं रणवीर, वो भी आज यहाँ पे होंगे.
जी.
You had the chance to meet him before and some things you know in capacity of.
Yeah, of course.
Any plans to have a film in the future with him?
प्लान अगर मेरे हाथ में होता मैं तो कल कर रही थी. So I would love to. I've always said in interviews that he's one of my most favorite actors, and if a chance arises, I would like do it immediately. I'm wearing this international designer called Mark. Yeah. Thank you.
Before you leave, could you just say some words of encouragement and say for the people to come out to give their mandate the upcoming elections as you are a celebrity?
Yeah.
दोनों में रखना सामने.
Ji, I think, you know, we've always read while growing up how important elections are, how important each vote is, but I think it's the time now for each one of us to understand our responsibility and find that time to go and give the vote, because it's very easy to play the blame game. It's very easy to later say कि हमारी government ये नहीं करती या वो नहीं करती, but this is the time to make the change and choose your government. We are in a democracy, and I think each one of us should be responsible enough to make that change. Thank you. Thank you.
Poetic. So tell me. Acha. But ask me nice sawals, please. Good evening.
Hall of Fame Awards, how it matters to you and what it means to you?
I think it's a great honor. It's a recognition from a very prestigious media house, because they have a very long line of wonderful journalism. So I'm very honored to receive an award from them. I don't know, I suppose it's working for many, many years in the film industry, in this wonderful film industry.
So it's a lifetime achievement.
I guess it's a kind of fitting me in somewhere.
Which is really the most memorable and which you would like to share with us, which has made a deep impact in all your journey of the films or otherwise?
You know, one doesn't have one memorable occasion. One has many. All the films that I have worked, you know, they're all my favorite. It's like my children, you know. You can't have one favorite child. So in a short while, I can't tell you. Maybe I'll write it in my memoirs. How's that?
When we are expecting it?
Ah, that's a good question. I haven't begun on it. I hope I don't run out of time. But maybe one day I will.
What would be the possible title?
Ah, that's up to you. Maybe I should take a opinion poll and find out. Accidental actress?
तो एक चीज़ और कई लोग बार बार हमसे पूछते हैं कि मतलब जैसे आजकल कई लोगों के ऊपर फिल्में बनती हैं, आप लोगों के आपके ऊपर भी बनाने के बेहद इच्छुक हैं लोग.
When the time comes, I'm sure they will. These are hardcore business people. They're very hardcore business people. So they know what sells and what doesn't sell. So the person with money matters a lot. So when they think this our story is important, an audience would like it, then they will make it.
Who could be the best person to represent you?
I have no idea. I mean, today we have such brilliant actors. It's a wonderful time for film industry. We have beautiful female actors, male actors. So I think anybody, kind of short.
Possibly, please allow me to say this, your granddaughter is equally promising for this.
She looks very much like her mother, and a wonderful actress like her mother. So yes, why not?
एक चीज जरूर है कि मतलब आपकी जो आगे की लेगेसी है यह बहुत ही जिम्मेदारी से बहुत अच्छी तरह से सभी आपके जो बच्चे हैं या आपके पोते पोतियां हैं वो लेके जा रहे हैं बिकॉज ये आपके लिए गर्व की बात है
Bilkul. I'm very happy and I thank God for it. And it makes me really very happy. I'm so impressed with Sarah and all her interviews. More than the film, of course she's a wonderful actress, but all her interviews shows that how humble, how polite, how savvy she is. I'm very proud of her.
आपको बहुत याद करती हैं हम लोग जब बातचीत करते हैं उनसे सहज तरीके से तो बहुत याद करती हैं लाइक जो बातें आपने उनको सिखाई हैं जो कुछ है
Yeah, she's a nice girl. She's a lovely girl.
एक और जो स्टार है आपकी फैमिली में
This is what, half of it won't be there. Huh. Achha, last question. Okay, last question. Huh.
वन ऑफ योर ग्रैंडसन्स मतलब ये जो सबसे बड़े आजकल बने हुए स्टार बने मिस्टर तैमूर दैट इज
Mr. Thakur. Yes.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट हिज स्टारडम
I don't think, but I'm going to quote Sarah on this. I suppose we have to live with it. This is the age of social media. I'm very old-fashioned. I don't think children should be exposed to all this. But I've learned from Sarah to say, if you can't beat them, then join them.
पता मैं पूछ नहीं रहा बता रहा हूँ आजकल जो है ना कहीं पे भी मतलब रोज और हर 24 घंटे में किसी की फोटो नहीं छपती सिवाय
I guess I should be happy about it, but I don't think it's very good for the child. Thank you. Thank you.
your present evening and many congratulations for the award. Thank you. All of fame, does fame matters to you? You have other preferences?
I guess. Sorry. I don't know. I guess obviously being an actor, fame does matter to us, but not in the way where I want to keep getting my picture taken or I want to be here. For me, I guess fame would mean my film doing well or people really liking my characters. So that's the kind of fame I want. Fame with work.
And अभी कोई न्यूज़ सुनी थी मैं भूल गया मैं सीना से पूछा apart from your film
हाँ जी.
कौन सी न्यूज़ है जो आप इस समय पूरी छाई हुई है आपके बारे में?
मेरे बारे में क्या? What news? No, I hope nothing bad, but I don't know.
काम के बारे में भी कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो?
No, but आज इस साल 4 releases है. Sorry. इस साल 4 releases है and it's starting with Mental है क्या? So I'm very excited about those and yeah, I think in May all the films are going to start coming out.
कोई इसका मेंटली थोड़ा दूर कर दिया इन लोगों ने और
Yeah, I think because we still have one song to shoot, so I think we're going to be done with that and then we're all set, we're ready.
कंगना है
Yeah, she, all of us, everyone's in the song.
कितना सहज राम के लिए मतलब
So I'm one of Kangana's biggest fans. I even remember we were doing a scene and she even said you're doing a good job and then I forgot all my lines also. So she's amazing to work with and I mean I never had any problem with her. She was amazing on set. No, no.
हमारा as a youngster as we as the country goes to the poll would you like to encourage people because as a celebrity you definitely make an impact आप एक प्रभावशाली व्यक्तित्व हैं अगर आप महिलाओं को लड़कियों को और युवाओं को लोगों को अगर कुछ कहें कि मतलब अपना मत दें
I think it's just important to make sure that we all go and just vote this year. Everybody has their own political preferences, and I think that's absolutely fair. But the more that people vote, the more that the young generation actually come out to vote, that's the only thing to me that matters. Because you'll see me at the voting polls for sure. Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you.
Yes. I'm super excited. Firstly, I was super excited when Shamila ji was talking here. I think it's going to be one award that everybody has been waiting to watch and, waiting to know what she's going to say. And it's, I think, one of the most glamorous awards here. And I'm really, really glad that this is the first time I'm coming and looking forward for a great night. Oh, no, not at all, not at all. I'm just here to enjoy the night. That's about it. Thank you. हाँ ओके हो गया ना मतलब लाइन लग जाएगी वरना
Hi, good evening. How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you guys for always supporting the crazy looks that I do. So it means a lot. Thanks. Thank you. अभी आपने बोल दिया मतलब बन ही जाएगा. हाँ. Of course, हाँ. Done. आप बिल्कुल प्रोफेसर जैसे डांटते हो. मस्त. हाँ, tell me. Of course, it would be a lie to say that there's no special thought that goes on. Of course, there is a special thought, but क्योंकि हम लोग red carpets पे ही कर सकते हैं ये सब. In my movies, I can't be like हम लोग commando shoot कर रहे हैं, I can't be like मुझे नथ पहनना है, तो director मुझे allow नहीं करेंगे. But on a red carpet, I think I can put out my style there. I have an awesome stylist, Juhi, who's here. So yeah, we sit together and we think of something nice. I also have, you guys support me. You all always write nice stuff about me, say nice stuff about the way I look. So I feel more encouraged to do crazy stuff all the time. So yeah.
What does fame means to you?
Fame means, I think after all of it, after either getting an award or shooting for your film, when you go back home and you sleep and you feel happy about what you've done. So that's fame to me. Thank you.
Would you like to encourage people as the voting day comes to near to us, and it's an important right as a citizen.
It is.
आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहें, look center.
I would because बहुत ही easy है to tell somebody to crib actually. जैसे आप social media पे जाते हो and you crib and you say I don't like the roads, I don't like या potholes है और I don't like the way my country is headed to. But it's in our hands. I mean, we are the guys who are voting for it. So you can choose the person who's going to run your country. You can choose the person. It's in your hands. You have the power. So choose wisely. Thank you. Thank you.
Waiting for a nice, fun evening. Looking forward for that. I'm sorry? I don't know about that. I'm not sure. Okay, so the movie is called Squad. We're going to be starting shoot in about 2 months. And right now we're just prepping on that. We've got our physical training. We're going to start with our weapons training. So I'm actually very excited and looking forward to start my training. So her name is Arya and she plays a sniper. As of now, I can only tell you so much, but it's a very interesting project because it's a total action-packed film. So, I'm wearing Gavin Miguel. Thank you.
Sir, how are you?
किसी को कुछ पूछना नहीं तो हम लोग निकलते हैं। अच्छा, very good. इन्होंने सर बोला है तो आपको आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
First of all, you have to understand what is fame. Fame is not an object. Fame is the shadow of some object. The object is your work, your achievement, your contribution. And that sculpture makes a shadow. That shadow is called fame. When we run towards for fame and we try to achieve fame, is futile because you can't achieve shadows without objects. Make objects, shadows will make themselves.
Now, nobody can answer that better than him. That's why I said he's the person who should answer the question.
That means we are getting old. That when they start calling you timeless, that's a polite way of telling you something. Huh? Yeah. 100% आप आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे? अरे खत्म कैसे हो सकता है वो? Of course, 21st को है 12 बजे से onward, जानकी कुटीर, yes. देखिए मैं तो बहुत सिंपल बात बता दूं, ग्रीक में इडियट का एक मतलब ये भी होता है वन हु डज नॉट वोट, ग्रीक लैंग्वेज. तो लेट्स नॉट justify that meaning. We are very fortunate that we are living in a democratic society where we have the right to express our opinion through a vote, and it's an honor and it's a privilege, and we should respect that. Thank you. ये बात से तो मैं बहस ही नहीं कर सकता. आपने कॉर्नर कर लिया मुझे. बात इतनी लॉजिकल की आपने कि कोई जगह ही नहीं बची. थैंक यू.
It feels amazing because I think for an artist and an actor, I think that's one of the gussa. No, I'm really happy. I think it's one of the nicest compliments to be told that you're multifaceted and that you're versatile. And I don't know, it feels really nice, and I think that's what I've always wanted to do. To not be boxed into anything, to be able to always be free and do different kinds of cinema and different kinds of roles. And I think, so I think I'm trying to do that every day and trying to live that dream. You know, if I were to be really honest, I really, really love it. Though I always say that good cinema and, timeless cinema is above everything else, and which is true. But there is that, that little kid in all of us where, at least for me, I love all the love, I love all the attention. It can be difficult. I know a lot of people say that it's difficult, but I don't look at the difficult part of it. I look at the happy part of it. So I really, really enjoy it, and I really love being famous. I always feel like without your knowledge is not very nice, because it's almost like a stalker picture. But I always tell those people, you ask me, I'll give you 10 pictures, because I feel like, they're not asking that much of you, and they are your fans, and people who love you are the people who really make you. And I feel like all they're asking for a picture, and if it can make their day, I'm really happy to give it to them. Even if I'm really tired or looking like death, I will always make sure I give people a selfie. But I don't like people who chori chupe when they take pictures. I find that very spooky. I don't like that. बीमार ये बोलो ना, जब आप बीमार भी हो तभी भी आप अच्छे लगते हो, ऐसे बोलो ना प्लीज. Yeah, I would like to tell everybody to go out there and vote for the right reason. And realize and always remember that to not be short-sighted, and to have a long-term idea of why they're voting and who they're voting for, etc., etc. So yeah.
Thank you.
Careful,
well, tonight, since the theme is black and white, I'm wearing Elisabetta Franchi's creation. And yeah, you know, I'm comfortable. That's most important. I have been working in the South, and I'm going to be debuting in Hindi very soon with Imran Hashmi in a Viacom project, and also Azure Entertainment is producing it. It's called The Body. Yeah, it's directed by Drishyam fame Jeetu Joseph. There's also Rishi Kapoor ji in the film. So I'm so happy to be working with such a fantastic team. Yes. Basically, I'm debuting not only on the big screen but also at these red carpet events, and I get to meet all you lovely people. Not nervous, but it is a little nerve-wracking because you know, you have to prepare so much about what you're going to wear and all of that. So getting ready is enjoyable, at the same time it is hectic. Thank you. Thank you, you guys too. Thank you so much. Yeah, see you.
Thank you so much. Yes. बहुत जल्द, actually I'm making a comeback right now. Very soon I'll be announcing the project. And yes, I can't reveal that right now. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'm expecting a lot of good people with, good-looking people with excellent clothes and some amazing, entertaining, I'm sure, things. And I look forward to this star-studded evening. I mean, who isn't? At the end of the day, I am a girl, and I love everything about fashion. So yes, who isn't? I am too. Thank you.
It's my first time, yeah. Well, I haven't come with any expectations. I'm just very excited because, yeah, it's my first time today at this event. So, yeah, just seeing what all new designers are there to look out for. Fame. Fame, I don't know if fame really matters. That's a good question. I don't think fame matters. I feel respect matters more, if you ask me. I'm wearing Shantanu and Nikhil for the first time also. And I love the Indian vibe which it has. And Shanti bol rahe hain. Koi nahi, aap kha lo. No, sorry. I was saying, yeah, I love the fact that it's Indian, but at the same time it looks Western. It's Westernized with the pants and everything. So, yeah, loving the dress. Well, right now you can see me on Abhay on Z5, and we have Sacred Games 2 coming very, very soon. So we're all excited for that. And yeah, I shall be starting my film soon too. So that's happening. क्या status है? Shooting हो गई अभी. That's done. We're starting dubbing soon. The edit is going on, and yeah, it's happening very soon. You mean like Sacred Games Season 1? If you ask me, I say Sacred Games Season 2 is even bigger. Much bigger. The story is taking, like, the course which is taking, we as actors were surprised that what have these writers written, and it's so beautifully written, and it's so beautifully shot that even Nawaz, so he was like you're taking us to another level. So it is another level, and I'm super excited for that. It's like, yes. Yes, there is an addition to the cast because obviously a lot of people died in season 1. So we have a lot of new people, a lot of amazing new characters. And yeah, even Saif sir's part is just another thing. And even Zoya and Jamila's part, which I'm playing, is taking... I'm so excited, I don't even know like how to tell you because I can't reveal much. But it's just going to be humongous. Me? Yes, yes, definitely. Because I'm comparing season 1 with season 2 and I'm just seeing where we have reached. So it is obviously exciting. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening to you. अरे थैंक यू आप तो लेकिन हमेशा से तारीफ करते आए हैं है ना दिस इज़ नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम सो थैंक यू सो मच रियली स्वीट ऑफ यू ओह इज इट कहाँ देखना है मुझे इधर ओके सॉरी या oh yeah I'm wearing Leah stubble and yeah what do I say आप बताइए कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं आपने तो तारीफ कर ही दी है so yeah I mean because white and black theme था so I had to choose something from either black or white family so yeah this is something close to white हाँ तो इत्तेफाक रखते हैं sweet done जी हाँ हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड्स में मैं पहली बार आ रही हूँ और लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज है ना what matters to me most when it comes to fame I think I want to be known as an actor more than being a heroine I want to be known as an actor because when I was a kid तब मुझे लगता था कि मुझे हीरोइन बनना है I want to get into the glamour world but now जैसे जैसे बड़ी हो रही हूँ I want to become an actor so I want people to know me as an actor as a good actor and you know yeah that is fame for me I would say I have आप बताइए आप भी तो मुझे इतने टाइम से देखते आ रहे हैं so I think I have evolved yeah I feel so done oh okay क्या खा रहे हो आप लोग हाँ तो भूख लगती है जी ओहो पॉलिटिक्स हाँ जी जी हाँ यार यही बोलूँगी कि मतलब इलेक्शंस एंड स्पेशली हमारी जो यूथ है इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वोट एंड आप जिसको भी यू नो सपोर्ट करते हैं जिस भी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करते हैं जो भी आपको लगता है यू नो हमारी अगली पार्टी होनी चाहिए हमारी अगली इलेक्शन पार्टी होनी चाहिए आप उनको वोट कीजिए बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गो एंड वोट घर से निकलिए जाके वोट दीजिए सब आजकल लेज़ी हो गए तो एक टाइम तक मैं भी थी बट फिर जब अकल आई तो देन आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड गोइंग इन यू नो वोटिंग सो हाँ मतलब स्पेशली यूथ के लिए आने वाला कल हम ही तो हैं सो या प्लीज़ गेट आउट ऑफ योर हाउसेज एंड गो एंड वोट फॉर whom so ever you want to. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Vani? Who's Celia? There's a designer called Celia. It's a Greek designer called Celia. Is it? वो मुझे पता नहीं है मुझे पता भी नहीं मुझे क्या मिल रहा है आई थिंक कोई भी जो हमें जो भी रिकग्निशन मिले वो यू नो इट्स वेरी वैलिडेटिंग और अच्छा लगता है और हम यहाँ आए हैं बिकॉज वी हैव रिलेशनशिप्स विद द मैगजीन एंड द एडिटर और हमें बुलाया गया है और थोड़ा टाइम स्पेयर कर सकते हैं मैं बॉम्बे वापस डबिंग के लिए आई हूँ मेरी फिल्म के लिए सो आई वाज हियर
जोया फैक्टर है मेरी फिल्म जो जून में रिलीज़ हो रही है. सो आई कम फॉर दैट डबिंग और आई लिव हाफ द टाइम इन लंदन एंड हाफ द टाइम इन इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाई.
सर हम आपसे मिल नहीं पाएंगे अगर आप क्योंकि आप एक सिटीजन एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन स्ट्रांग इन योर वर्क. वुड यू लाइक टू एनकरेज द यूथ एंड एवरीवन टू कास्ट देयर मैंडेट एज द डेट ऑफ द present their votes come in?
Yeah, of course. I completely believe that voting is a right that, and it's a freedom that you need to kind of it was a hard-won freedom to have an opinion on who and who should come into power and who should be governing us. And I think we have to exercise that right, and it's very, very important for the youth of India and all Indians to exercise that right and make their stand clear. Thank you so much.
सोनम जी एक फोटो आपके साथ. ये बाहर से आया. ये बाहर सब लोग आ रहे हैं. मैम यहाँ पे सामने. कोई नहीं हो? बनेगा जी यहाँ पे. बनेगा जी इधर. बन गए मैम.
Yes, it is my first time.
What are you expecting?
I don't know. I'm. Let's see.
Does fame matters to you?
Not really. Because see, जो fame होता है, for me personally, it's more of an inner thing than an outer thing. You really need to balance it, because after you get fame, कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि you get disbalanced, and I don't know. I think my friends keep me grounded, and for me, really, my work matters more than fame.
Thank you so much. Please go ahead and have a pleasant evening and tell us something what happened here.
Sure. Thank you.
This way, this way.
This way.
Yes.
नमस्ते जी, कैसे हैं आप? थैंक यू. गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल टू.
सवाल कहीं से भी आए क्योंकि
जी ठीक है. अच्छा, थैंक यू. माई ड्रेस फॉर टुनाइट, ये बहुत ही लास्ट मिनट चॉइस था ये आउटफिट. आप इतना सीरियसली सुन रहे हैं मेरे बातों को. ड्रेस के बारे में बात करिए, कोई राजनीति चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं करी. लेकिन हाँ, बहुत ही कम वक्त में हमने ये ड्रेस को डिसाइड किया था, और वाइट मेरा पसंदीदा कलर है, और आज का थीम शायद मोनोक्रोम है, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने ये ड्रेस को चुना है. थैंक यू जी. जी देखिए, हर एक्टर के लिए फेम कहीं ना कहीं तो मायने रखता है, लेकिन ये समझना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो भी फेम मैंने हासिल की है ये मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे फैमिली के ज़रिए भी मिली है। और उसके बाद जो मैंने फ़िल्म की, उसके बाद जो और भी फेम आया था, उसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। आप लोगों के प्यार के लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। और देखिए, बचपन से मैंने कहीं ना कहीं फेम देखा है, तो मेरी ज़िंदगी में हार्ड वर्क, काम और एक्टिंग और फिल्म ज़्यादा मायने रखती है।
जानवी, आप अपनी जो भी विचार रखती हैं, आपने कभी बहुत मैच्योरिटी दिखाई है, हमेशा बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से अपनी बातें रखती और जेस्चर्स, आपके एक्शंस, वर्ड्स बहुत ही मायने रखते। एक बार जब कलर फिल्म शुरू हो रही थी तब मिसेस माधुरी दीक्षित को आपने वेलकम किया था। ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात थी जिस तरह से आपने उनका स्वागत किया।
नहीं, मैं कौन होती हूँ स्वागत करने के लिए, लेकिन मैं एक ऑडियंस के नज़रिए से मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी इस फिल्म के लिए। ट्रेलर, सारे गाने, पिक्चर्स इतने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं और हाँ, मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ।
माधुरी जी का भी आपने पोस्टर वगैरह देखा, टीजर, अगर आप कुछ कम शब्दों में अगर कुछ कहना चाहें उस बारे में।
सुमित, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। कम लेट्स गो।
अच्छा जी,
कम लेट्स गो।
अरे नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। उन्होंने बहुत I'll say अभी क्या कहूँ मैं उनके बारे में। वो एक इतनी होनहार और गुणी कलाकार है कि ये हमारी खुशकिस्मत है कि हम उनका काम देखने का मौका मिल रहा है हमें, उनसे सीखने का मौका मिल रहा है हमें। इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ और यही आशा और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि हमें उनका और काम देखने का मौका मिलेगा।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये लोग पूछ रहे थे कि अगर वो फिल्म के बारे में जो एयरफोर्स का कुछ अगर आप बताना चाहें।
अलाउड नहीं होगा, सॉरी।
सामने देखो, सेंटर में
अभी कल ही तो की थी फाइट।
आई नो, चलो कम
मैं सिर्फ सोचती हूँ कि पर्रिकर जी राजनीति में एक मिसाल के तौर पे एक रोल मॉडल थे। उनकी जो सिंप्लिसिटी, अभ्यास, आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट होने के नाते उनका अभ्यास हर एक क्षेत्र में बहुत ज़्यादा था, लेकिन उनकी सरलता के बारे में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं। कोई सिक्योरिटी गार्ड नहीं, कोई तामझाम नहीं, और सिर्फ सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट इस्तेमाल करना, लाइन में खड़ा रहना, ये एक विजुअल है जो बहुत सारे नेता में आज देखने नहीं मिलते हैं। मैं मानती हूँ कि आते हुए पीढ़ी के लिए उनका योगदान ना सिर्फ गोवा के लिए लेकिन पूरे देश के लिए प्रशंसाजनक है।